Do you hate when you're traveling and you get a headache, blisters, upset tummy, and you've got nothing to deal with it? I'm going to tell you how coming up. Welcome to Travel Tip Tuesday with the Traveling Cheesehead. I'm Michelle, and on every Tuesday I share a practical and helpful travel tip to save you time, money, and headaches. Today is all about planning ahead for those mishaps that are bound to happen when you travel. So it was my first trip to Europe, and if you've been to Europe, you know you walk a lot, and it doesn't matter how much you break in your shoes, your feet are just not going to be prepared for the amount of walking that you're going to do. Hence, you're going to end up with blisters. And because you're putting in really long, strenuous days exploring all that Europe has to offer, you're likely to get some headaches as well. We were in Spain for the very first time, and we were walking a lot, and realized that I had to keep running to the convenience store to get the little packets of aspirin for my headaches and go to the convenience store to get Band-Aids. What I learned from that is it's way better for you to plan ahead and pack a little first aid kit. So every time we travel now, I pack this tiny little first aid kit. It has Band-Aids. It has even like the clear Band-Aid stuff. I have aspirin in there, Tylenol. I even sometimes will bring things like Tums to control the upset stomach because you are trying a variety of foods. So I pack this little first aid kit so that I'm not spending all this extra unplanned money at convenience stores picking up Band-Aids and things like that. It tends to be quite a hassle when you're trying to see as much as you can in your trip and you have to keep stopping to get these little basic necessities that you could have just brought with you from home. It'll save you time, it'll save you money, and it'll be way more convenient. You won't have to go searching the streets for this convenience store hoping they have what you need. So that is my travel tip for today. If you found it helpful, give me that thumbs up. It was a quick one, I know. These are meant to be quick and fast and fun. So if you enjoyed my travel tip, please give me that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I come out with a new travel tip every single Tuesday and you don't want to miss a thing. And make sure you check out my other videos on my channel. Thanks for watching the Traveling Cheesehead and Travel Tip Tuesday. Until next time, travel safe.